Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Discord with Voicemod. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Voicemod in the background and you need to enable the voice changer. If you want, you can hear yourself as well, but I'm currently recording a video so I do not do that. Then you need to go back and open Discord and then you simply need to click on user settings. Once you are here, you simply need to click on voice and video, and here you need to select your mic. So I'm recording with this mic, so you simply need to select that, and here you need to device output, so you can select where you want to listen, and with that you can easily change your voice. So this is a process how you can change your voice on Discord with Voicemod. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.